guys, here's a new update. We finally got to test out the Frontier tiller. It is a RT3073R, and I'm super pleased with this tiller. I've never owned one, so I really don't know how to be displeased, you know, or unsatisfied, but this tiller right here, to me, is really good. So we're making 3 passes on each lane, and it's going down at least 8 inches, at least, you know, and I'm sure I could keep going over it. We never plowed this ground before, and you see all these where my daughter's been running through. It's just so soft, and the tiller is doing really good. He says no till ground yet, and it's doing an awesome job. We're happy with it. We're gonna have some little cut-in videos of me tilling and my grandfather tilling and this and that, but you can see all those are where my daughter's been running around. But you can see the bed. This will be an awesome garden this year. Anyways, 2 thumbs up for the RT3073R. Reverse, it's a reverse tiller as well, so it's actually reversing against what you're pulling, the direction. Super pleased, super pleased. Any questions, give us a holler. We're gonna put in some video scenes of us tilling today. Thank y'all for watching, and God bless. All right, here's my grandpa's first pass with the tiller. He's got to learn the hydrostatic pedal on it, kind of get used to it. This is our second pass, and this tiller, I was gonna get a plow, 2 bottom plow, which I still might do it, just for some videos. But man, this tiller is really doing some good work. So this is our second pass. Our first pass going back the opposite direction of what we previously tilled, and it's really doing good work. Look at that. That's good soil right there. We ought to be able to have a really good garden this year. It's pretty quiet. I figured it'd be louder than what it actually is. But the tractor and everything's super quiet right now. But we'll make another video once we get this garden put out a little bit further. And appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned. That's some good soil. Okay guys, we got some bonus footage today. We got Miss Chamberlain running it. She's gonna make a pass and move the tiller. She thinks it's a John Deere ball. Hitting it up to 540. Get the tiller down in the dirt. There she goes. She'll be out here all summer trying to get a suntan down. What she's tilling right now is soil that's never been tilled up or plowed before. So she's just steaming it raw on top of it. You can see it. It's turning it good. She's going to turn back around and she's going to make another pass going back the opposite direction. Just see how good it turned that dirt up. It turned it up real good. All right, now watch out. She'll come back this way again and drop it all the way in the ground, and then we'll make one more pass going the opposite direction. That should turn that dirt up pretty good. All right, guys, this is like the 4th closing scene that we've recorded. I keep messing up. This is it. This is the final. We'll do it again. It's gonna be in the end. So we appreciate y'all watching. We're new to this tilling and gardening, first tractor, as y'all know from our other videos we posted, so we're still learning. If y'all have any tips or tricks y'all can show us or point us in the right direction, we would greatly appreciate it. The tiller is RT3073R, Frontier brand. Been a really good tiller so far. As you can see in the video, we keep digging in the dirt and doing this. You can see how fine it is. We should be able to make a really good garden bed this year. With that being said, we appreciate y'all watching the videos, and we hope y'all like and subscribe. Until next time, y'all have a blessed day, and thank y'all for watching. See y'all.